What if I told you there's a rooftop bar with insane views and juicy smoky beer can chicken? Welcome to LVLR, where the vibes are immaculate and the skyline views deserve their own Instagram account. It's the perfect place for unwinding after work. We ordered the juicy hanger steak with asparagus, smoky beer can chicken with oyster mushrooms cooked right before our eyes. And if the food and view doesn't steal the show, the live music might. They have open mic sessions, so who knows, you might catch me there with a song or two. Get this to 150 shares and I will do 3 songs. Cheers to good food, great music and even better views.